get a fucking Hayabusa, throw a fucking NOS kit on that bitch, and ride fucking naked. Oh shit, he's calling the cops. We gotta get the fuck out of here. There's no way he's not calling the cops. Hey, beam, boom. Yo, what's up, guys? This is not the city rider here today. This is his fucking friend, the one he rides with. And we're just fucking around over here. Hey! There's the city rider right there, fellas. Look at his ass. Hey, are we on? Are we on?
Yeah, dude, hey, you don't have to talk too loud either. Just don't scream.
Alright. Okay! Let's go! Let's go, boy! Alright, let's go! Follow me! Like he'd be able to keep up anyway. Shit! I'm fucking Travis. Yeah. Dude, he's such a badass. Can I please be you, Mr. City Rider? Oh shit. We're going to check out this place that, or at least I saw when I was on the way over here. It used to be fucking blocked off, but I don't think it might be blocked off anymore. Holy fuck, get the fuck out of my way. Damn. So it might not be blocked off anymore. So we might be able to take it and fuck it up with our dirt bikes. Because we're dirt bikers. So, yeah, we will fuck that road up. Woo! Fucking supermoto in this bitch. Woo! Are we going up in here? Alright, we shall. Woo! Woo! He's Mr. Wheelie fucking Master. I don't know how he does it. Dude, these fucking things are hitting my arm. It hurts like shit. This is a sharp one. I'm not a fucking expert like Mr. City Rider up there. Shit. It is fucking dark. Where the fuck am I going? Woo! Let's turn. So yeah, little about me. I live on Daniel Island, South Carolina. Went to school with Logan since 9th grade. We went to high school together. Became pretty good friends. Because we're both into cars and dirt bikes and shit. And, we've hung out a lot, yeah. My name's Chris, by the way. And, I drive a Subaru as well as fucking Logan. Mine's better, though. My shit is fast as fuck. Yeah, and what else about me? I ride a WR450F. Some of you probably know of it because of some of fucking Logan's earlier videos. He's riding my bike all the fucking time. Lucky him, I'm such a good friend. I let him ride my fucking bike whenever he wanted. And I've only rode your bike a couple fucking times, motherfucker! I've never ridden his Gixxer. That stingy fucker won't let me ride it. Hopefully when he sees this video, he'll feel so bad he'll let me ride that fucker. Woo! Tell us to slow down, you fucker, I dare ya. And, my bike, I'm hopefully getting a street bike soon. Hopefully my dad's buying me one. But I either want a Gixxer 1000, a BMW S1000RR, a Ducati 848, or a Gixxer 750 at the least. I know some of you fuckers are probably thinking, oh, he's gonna kill himself on a bike. He's gonna kill himself on a BMW S1000RR, the baddest fucking bike on the road. But here's my philosophy, if you would like to say, on what I have to say to you fuckers that think that. 0 to 100 on a fucking Gixxer 600 is fast as shit. If you're going that fast, that's fucking, you know, dangerous. What's the matter if you go a little bit faster on a fucking 1,000 liter bike? It's, I mean, is that a fucker standing up there? No. What's the difference if you go on a 1,000 liter bike a second faster? Fast is fast. And the wall that you hit going 100 miles an hour is going to read 100 miles an hour. It doesn't matter which bike you're on. You're going to fucking die anyway. So you might as well go big or go home. Fuck getting 600s, 250s, and 750s. Get a fucking Hayabusa. Throw a fucking NOS kit on that bitch. And ride fucking naked. Look at what I can do with my life. Look at that shit. Dude, this guy has literally walked fucking 35 feet since we've walked past him. He was literally fucking right here on this corner, and we rode the fuck back, and he's right fucking there. Pick up the fucking pace a little bit if you're trying to get the fuck home. Where's the fuck? No hands. Ooh, see that? No hands. You can call me the next Travis Pastrana, the next Ricky Carmichael, the next Bubba Stewart, because I'm fucking all of them fuckers put together. Yeah, we just want to do a short little vlog today just to see how you guys like a guest appearer on the vlogs. I know I'm a lot better vlogger than the City Rider. You can call me the Cheesy Rider, because my name's Cheesy Man 229966 on Xbox. Look me up if you don't believe me. Hello. Oh shit, he's calling the cops. We gotta get the fuck out of here. There's no way he's not calling the cops. If this is a cop right here, oh, I'm gonna whoop his ass, a slow ass motherfucking Chevy Impala. You got to get your ass whooped. Whoa, the turn's back there. There's my car, the Subi, sitting next to that fucking off-brand Toyota Supra motherfucker. He's in a Corolla. It's got bump in the trunk though, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Woo, niggas! Oh shit, gotta mark that out. We don't want to sound racist. I love black people though. I went to school with black people for such a long time. So if you're black, I love you. I guess, where the fuck did he go? Hey! Where's Logan? Oh, there he is. Fuck. Oh shit, let me try to park this motherfucker. Yo, bitch, get the fuck out the way. Shit, get out of my way, fucking chair. Damn. Fuck out of here. Shit. Look, there's a Gixxer 600 engine. I'm gonna make it into a Gixxer car. And JK, that was the dream of 4 high schoolers who didn't know what the fuck they were doing. Alright, Logan, turn me the fuck off. Make it go boom.